Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I'm just out past trip trying to see if I can change the main light on the passenger side on the Land Cruiser. I believe it's an H4 bulb, so we just have to see. But here it has been snowing in the night again. This car was left outside, so now I just have to try to push away some snow, and then we can get in to do something. So just give me some little time to get off some. Yeah, then we're now picking up an H4 bulb. Have to see here now. This light is dead. See how easy or not easy it is to come in here. See, this wire is in the way a little. Let's see, to be able to get in here easily, I just have to remove the battery. 12mm to get off this. Take this. There. Let's take this one away. I can just remove everything easy. Then get into the bulbs. Here. Inside there is a metallic locker. I can see it, just a little hair is broken. H4. Move away this. This has to have the bone standing on the top. Should only go in one way. Should. There. Then I have to have these clips. You see, this clip is just going in and down, then it's locked in. There. See in here, 3 connectors. One, this is going to the top and then to the sides. Yeah. Just the plastic back off. Take out the old bulb. This is much easier than having to fight around the battery. Okay, it takes some more screws to take out, but now at least I get to show you where it is. Maybe you can move it out with the battery in the car. Just get those here in. This going to lock on their place, also in the front, before we tighten it up. Connecting. This one back on this side. Just putting on the lights. Light here. And light here. Yeah. Then we see how easy it's to change the light bulb, H4 bulb on the Land Cruiser 120 series. Have to get it in a picture. Yeah. For me, to make a video for you guys, this was easier to just take out the battery in some 10mm or some 12mm and just take it out. Then I have a good place to work, so I don't have to stress with getting things on the right place. Yeah, please come back, please subscribe to the channel and see a lot more about those cars. I have at least 75 videos now about only the 120 series Land Cruiser, Prados, also Lexus GX 470. So thank you, please subscribe, please write a comment and please like the video. Thank you.